gift card for each phone.
Beep, beep, beep,
Mother?
beep. What are the cards doing, Ethan? Beep, 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 beep. Think cards.
Are you watching the pump that's getting heated up too?
What's it doing?
That's what happens.
Ethan,
You
what's
can shut it off.
doing?
No one says you can't put it
Think
back
cards.
on.
Is your pink card?
And it was 0 down.
This is a wood card.
Very, very cool.
The bottom here is
0 down, yes. And a gift certificate to boot.
So I went to Walmart too, and I bought some stuff that I needed to get for alerts. So I used the gift card for that.
Ethan.
Why not?
Hi.
I gotta show you something on my computer.
Okay.
Seeing as though you're there.
Okay.
I think
I'm taking a video,
died.
Ethan.
So I put one we had upstairs.
So, guys, what do you want to talk about?
I don't want to watch. I want the picture. So,
Sure. Shaky.
no, up.
And then something else happened. I don't know how the other.
You're not quite the right resolution. I see what's wrong right away.
About
Yeah.
that car. About
All
that
my
car.
icons disappeared.
Part of your screen is over here.
Yes, that's right. Hey, show me where this button is. This button here?
Yep.
What does that do?
Just auto.
Okay,
I guess.
let me see.
Which button is
That's okay, I know I'm a stupid.
No, but which button is it?
Got it.
The one
Oh, baby.
I don't want anybody to touch on my computer.
Okay.